Hey everyone, good morning. Okay, wait, the bit rate is lower. No, it sounds fine to me. Okay, let's start. So, what we did yesterday? Let's first start the server. cd into server and pm start. While the server is starting, let's log in into PSQL shell as well. SQL-t race dash u shahil wasava connect to learn. I should change the name. No, it's all right. It's just a local database, so it doesn't matter. What tables do we have? All right, and do we have any data? Yeah, I think we do have. Let's check the data. Do we have the commands? Yeah, we already have the commands. Select star from user. Select star from task. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What? Oh, come on. Okay, great. Okay, the server has started as well. So I think we were trying to implement show command. So let's try to test it. Remote show. See what happens. Hmm. Okay, so we get back null this time. So why is that? Let's go into bot controller. Get all console. Uh, Wait a minute. Where are the results? I don't see the results anywhere. Wait. Task user dot which ID doesn't exist. Yeah, of course it doesn't exist. But what does exist? When we include the model, it does exist. So how do I query using, the reference table? I need to check. Find all association and foreign key. I don't know what that is exactly. Mm, so what he did exactly? Let's see. Include model as users through. Huh. But how can I now query using the included model? Is that possible? Should I call find all again? Is that the right way? I don't know. Let's populating a find all via foreign key. Okay, let's check this one out. Define no. Define include. Okay, wait, what does it do? Order item, find all. Yeah. Why are these guys using models dot order item? Like everyone is using models directly. Can I not use the model class directly? I don't know. See, so this guy has menu item. It has ID, name, description, price, picture, and type. Okay, no foreign key here. But in order item, I think he has foreign key. No, nothing. Oh yeah, it is here. Of course, he has foreign key here as well. So menu item belongs to restaurant. All right, I get it. And has many. And menu item has many order items. Right. Order item belongs to model dot order. Okay. Problem I am having is that in my database I see foreign key. Request or param item ID. Hmm. You might be missing. What's that? Order item dot belongs to. Oh, okay. So this is not our problem. Let's find out other article. I don't even know what I should look for. Find all method using a foreign key. I think this is not exactly the query I should look for on Google. Sequelize. Let's first spell sequelize correctly. Sequelize find all method using a where with key from a foreign table. It sounds sensible to me. Let's try to find it using include. Let's check this one. And what about this? Advanced associations. That you should memorize. Oh, so inside include I can append where. Oh, that's good. That is good. That's exactly what we want. So let us move this inside. Wait, where should I move it? Include. Yeah, yeah. Right. Where? And I think I don't need to do this. Twitch ID is equal to Twitch ID. Okay, let's test it out and see what happens. All right. All right. What has happened? Okay, so let's try to fire the command again. Remote. So, oh, we're getting some results. Let's see if they are correct ones or not. So, the format is not that much good. Let me use different format. To JSON, maybe. I don't know. Will this work? To JSON. Okay, let's fire the command again. Oh, what happened? What just happened? To JSON is not a function. Huh. Okay, maybe I don't know. Maybe it is in string. Yeah, it is in string. So is this a string? I don't know. I don't know if this is a string or not. Null again. Okay, okay. It doesn't matter. Let's go back to stringify. Alright, so let's test it again. Shall we? Hmm. So as you can see, we have this one instance. Alright, it's mine, created by Sahil Wasawa. Second instance, again mine, and the third instance mine. So we are getting three results back, right? 1, 2, and 3. We're getting three tasks back. But if we check the database, we have 4. But only 3 belongs to me. So the fourth one has a different user ID which belongs to DataDev, which is another user. So that's why it's not showing this task. So that means our query is working just fine. Now we can, okay, but we are returning the results, but that's not we want, right? We just want to return the title. And also we don't want to populate all this different data, right? We just want which ID, I guess, right? So I think we should write something. Do we have something to exclude or to include only the fields that we want? I think there was something. Of course there is something. True attributes. Wait, what is this? I don't know. I think I saw something in the docs. Find all. No, not this one. Maybe here. Nope. Okay, it doesn't matter. We will leave it as it is right now. No, let me exclude them. So, what I will do is look for includes, not include, includes. Come on. Why can't it search it? Like it's not searching it. You know what? I'm of the opinion that the docs are not that much good. Let's check this website, Postgres tutorial. Yeah, but this tutorial doesn't have, like, it has the rock queries, not the PostgreSQL one. So sequelize. Mm, Let's try to look for it manually. It was in the associations mostly. I think I have the associations docs opened somewhere. Forget where it is. It was open somewhere here. Is it this one? Yeah, it is this one, but it is just for association like this queries, one to many. Doesn't have the includes. So I think I should look for association queries. Maybe, maybe. Wait, do I have some auto completion here which tells me what what is attributes? What are attributes? Attributes, a list of that you want to select. Yeah, I think this is what we want. And I knew this was what we wanted. I was just trying to look for it in the docs. But anywho, let's select. So we need Twitch ID. And that is it, I think. We don't need anything else, right? That's it. Maybe username as well. I don't know. Twitch ID. Okay, let's also have username. Maybe we will be able to use it later on to customize the command reply or something. So let's test it again and test if it works or not. Oh, come on. The Babel compiler takes a lot of time. No, it was not Babel. I think it was this one, Postgres. Equalize. Okay, whatever. Mm, all right. All right. So what data are we getting back this time? All right. So in user, we are only getting Twitch ID and username as we have written. So that is exactly what we needed. Now we are returning the results back, but 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 see, we can't just return the command like this. So your tasks. So what should we display to the user who fired this command? So title is important, yeah. So we should show title and done or not. Okay, I think we should show if it is done or not using an emoji or something, you know, like a tick emoji. Tick. Yeah. And title done and ID. The ID is important as well because you know the if the user wants to tick mark it as a done or undone, he would need it. So let's also keep track of ID. So we'll return ID, title, and this as a string. So let's convert it into a string. Let's see how to convert it first of all. I think we should use this method map. because it is an array. What does map return? Let me open up JavaScript docs. Holy shit, what happened? Okay, whatever. W3 schools is fine. Array methods. Array methods, not arrays. Array methods. Do we have a reference or something? Just give me the whole list. Yeah, this one. Map. Map creates a new array with the result of calling a function for each element. I don't know. What about reduce method? So what we want is, we want to map through this all the tasks from this array, and we want to convert it into a single string. So your tasks, then this is the ID, this is the title, and the confirm the status of done or not done. Yeah. So how can we do that? How do we get the values from this? What does the reduce do? Hmm. Maybe this is not what we want. I don't know. There was filter as well, right? So creates a new array with every element in an array that passes a test. No, that's not what we want. Yeah, I think map is usable here. Map. So how can we use it? But map, right? Map takes a callback function, right? Obj. What should it do with object? Yeah, it should create a string. You know what? Let's not write it in this string. Let's create the string outside of it. Let's string. Wait, but map won't return. It will return an array, right? Res. So tr. Let's call it tr. Results. Results dot map get object and return a template string with, let's, I don't know, let's first try to return ID and title. So first one will be title. So ob no ob dot title, right? Second thing is ob dot id of the task. And yeah, let's use a template string, not a template string, whatever ternary operator, to check if ob dot what is it, ob dot done. If it is true, then return 1, or else return 0. Okay, that's what we will do for now. Afterwards we'll place an emoji in those two places, in these two places. All right, so let's try to console log it first. Console log tr. Wait, is that an error? Yeah, of course. Let me remove this. Oh man, this synchronization takes a hell lot of time. Let's fire the command. What did we get? Object. No, we are supposed to get a string back, not an object. But wait, uh, wait. No. Mm. Ah, yeah, we are getting the string. Here it is. Learn Python 1, learn PyFlask. Great. This is exactly what we needed. Now let's get those emojis. Emojipedia, yeah. Check mark. No, not this check mark, green one. I want a green check mark. This one, no, this one seems good. Can I just copy it like that? I don't know. You know, we are creating the Twitch bot, so let's get a Twitch check mark from Twitch itself. So let me find out the check mark emoji. Where is it? I'm not able to find it. Do they even have a check mark emoji? Okay, I don't think they have a check mark emoji. Alright, we'll use a generic one. Let me copy this, the one that I copied here. Check mark, no. It copied the text, not the emoji. Let us check. Check mark. Check mark button. Copy. Let's try to paste it again. Oh, good. And for undone tasks, we will use a gray tick mark or maybe an empty gray box. Let's use an empty gray box. So undone. Do they have an emoji for undone or something? No. uncheck box, gray box. Checkbox with check. Oh, so do they have a checkbox with uncheck? Try remote so. Try remote so. Yeah, see, it is showing your own task. You only have one task, and it is showing three tasks for me. So you will get the whole title. So right now I'm picking out an emoji. So it will let me just send the results back to you. Mm, just results to not results TAR2. Sure, then you can create all of those tasks here. Mm, join. Yeah, I think we can use join and join it using a new line. Great, great. This will work. This will work just fine. Let's try it. Wait, what is up with this? Uh, why can't I use an emoji like this? Do I have to wrap it around in a string? Oh, okay. Try it out now. So, remote. So, oh, nice. But why is it not giving? Yeah, because I don't have any done task. So let me try to manually take a task as done. Mm, vaccine dose, haircut, nail cut. What the switching? Whoa, whoa! Why are you switching back to Windows, man? Trust me, if you will stick to Linux, you will learn a lot of things. Let me know if you need help with JS because I am back in the JS game. And why do you want to reinstall Linux? You don't need to do that. Alter. Let me let me just pick out an emoji for gray box, empty box. I can't find a checkbox. Gray checkbox with checkbox unchecked emoji. Checkbox with check. No, I want a checkbox without a check. Fuck. I just can't find that emoji. What is up? Oh, come on. Mm, maybe an empty gray box. Empty gray box. Box. Speech. Ballet box. Yeah, this will work maybe. Ballet box. ballot. No, it's so much smaller. Let me copy a emoji from other sites, to do list or something. To do app. Let's search for a to do app. Mm, oh, come on. Just give me any to do app. To do is. Mm, don't tell me I need to log in. I need to do. Circle with a tick. Circle. Yeah, we can use circles. Let's log in. No. Fuck no. Circle with box. Gray emoji. Mm, this will work. Mm, let us test it again. Remote. So, yay. Great. That's no concept of new line on which I just can't add new lines, huh? Let me mark a task as done. How do I do that? Alter a row. How can I alter a row? Alter update. Update set column. Hmm. Okay, not alter. Update tasks set done equal to true, where id equal to 2. Okay, we don't have tasks. Task. I need to wrap it. What? Okay. Okay. So let's test it now. Remote. So, oh, great. It looks fine. Yeah, so let me mark your task as done. Update, set task. Your task number is 4. So let me mark it as done. Now try. Now try to fire a command. You wrote the command. I didn't wrote it. Unknown command. I don't even know Python properly. Just check the log message. Stupid bot. Hmm. What was I doing? Yeah, I was going to wrap the commands in brackets so that they are distinguishable. So, like this. Applying to Google. You mean you already applied? Nice, nice. I'm gonna go into applying game soon, man, soon. Yeah, and that's what I'm aiming for, Google. I don't want to get into Google, but I want to have my skills at that level. You know. And right now, I'm not at that level at all. Principal data scientist. What the hell? You applied as a data scientist. Man, chill, chill. Remote show. Add brackets? Oh, okay, okay. Let me add brackets then. Yeah, right. You are right. Brackets look good. Yeah, brackets look good. So now let's write the commands for marking a task as done or undone. done or undone. Okay, how do I do that? I'll mark it as undone now. See, I control your life now. Star, true, false. Try now. You don't know Django anymore. Done, 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 done. Okay, so for done, let me create a new module. Show all tasks. No. Uh, Update the task and mark it as done. Wait, no. Let's just write the function for updating the task, not for marking it as done. Was yeah. Django for yeah. You're right. Learn Django for update. Update data. What data will we be getting back? I don't know. Hmm. From the bot, we'll be just getting the ID of the task. So let's get the ID first. Const, because we are not going to change the ID. Have it as a constant ID equal to command name 1 0 no 1 not 1 2. All right, and wait, first we'll need to check if command 2 exists or not. Command name 2, if it is not there, if command 2 is not there, will return will say usage remote done ID. And we'll break out of it, or else I think we should have that kind of error handling here as well in the task. What if someone doesn't give the task, doesn't give the name of the task? mm, yeah, we'll handle it later. First let's write done id command name 2. Okay. mm, mm, we will have something similar to this. Const result, bot controller, task update. Oh, all right. Um, ID, ID, and task, not task, done, done true. What else? Title. No, let's leave title. That's what we will be passing. Why did it crash? Yeah, because we have not saved this yet. And in the data, we will retrieve. You know what? Let's not retrieve the data. Task. Okay, how do we update it now? What is the query? How to use sequelize, find all, update. Age 9 where? Okay. Task update. Where, which ID, not which ID, where? Huh. Where ID, right? Not just ID, data ID. No, I think I should use it like this. Is this still not the correct syntax? Of course it is not. All right. Can I use this syntax now? Yeah, I can. Where ID is equal to is data ID and update what? Okay, we need to give two keys. What to update, and second will be options. So let me first remove this clutter. So this will be second. Let's have first object. Uh, we can use this, right? But we want to exclude ID from that. No, I mean ID will remain same, so it doesn't matter. What we are sending is ID and done. Okay, it will work. Let's test it. Why is it crashing? Mm, results has already been declared. Oh, where exactly? Which bot? Mm, wait, where has it been declared? Oh, alright. But doesn't it? Wait, but when I declare it again here, it should be inside this block. So I should be able to declare it like that. Hmm. Alright, we'll change it to let. It won't matter, but right, so hmm. Update result. Is it fine now? Alright. Okay, let's try to update something. Remote done. Let me first show my task. Let's mark remote done ID of wait, this ID is like it seems like ID is part of the task itself. So there should be something distinguishable. Maybe I should place ID before the task. Yeah, I will do that next. So let me first mark the task with ID 1 as done. Okay, let me again check the task. Yeah, so the task is marked as done now. Okay, now let me make the change that I talked about. So this ID should be yeah, it should be here, and it should look like it is an ID. So we'll place a colon. Right, let's test it. Okay, seems good to me. We can use the same logic for undone as well. By the way, when we mark a task as done, what is it retaining? Remote done 3. Hmm. Update task results. What does it return? Just one? Hmm. Of course, it doesn't return the data back. Yeah, alright. Alright. What if it was not able to update the data? Alright, sorry for the interruption, guys. The electricity went out, but it's back now. So let's continue. Hmm, what happened to the chat? Okay, it seems fine. So I forgot what I was doing. Hmm, yeah. So I think I marked it a task as done. So let's test it remote. So hey, now you can mark your task as done as well. Data there. So just type remote done and the ID. So for your task, the ID is 4. So you should just type remote done 4 and it will be marked as done. You can mark it as a done now. Just type remote done and 4. Now you are in control again. Oh, oh yeah, so I was trying to do this remote done 4. No, 4, not 4, 5. Wait, there is a bug, an authentication bug. So as it is right now, I am able to, anybody is able to mark anybody's task as done. Anybody can update anybody's task. So I'm not authenticating. So let's write authentication. So first we should know who is trying to update task and what task he or she can update. So for that, what I need to do is task update. And there are several ways I can handle this. So I can check the username against the task that is being hmm. Yeah, so let's try to retrieve that task first using find one. const task equal to await task dot find one where where what where id equal to data data dot id, right? So this will give us all the task, but yeah, we should also includes how do we write includes array model. Okay, let me just copy this. Oh, come on. Why doesn't include here? What the hell? Nice. So include user attributes, username and Twitch ID. Yeah, so we can do this where Twitch ID. Wait a minute. What if I write to where? Hmm, will it work? Data dot Twitch ID, and in the bot I will also send the ID, the Twitch ID. So Twitch ID will come from context dot ID. No, I think it is user ID. Context user ID. User ID. Wait, what is the issue here? Did I forget something? Oh, a quote. All right, so now that we have Twitch ID, what happens if we fire up this query? Find the task where ID is this, and it should include user where ID, Twitch ID is this. So if the Twitch ID doesn't match, it should return null, right? Console.log task. So let's comment this for a second. Let's not update it. So let me try to update database task and see what happens. Wait a minute. So I got an error. Results is no. Oh, wait. Where, oh, okay, okay, okay. Hmm, okay. Did we get any task? It seems we did get a task. So it seems it overrided this. Is there a constraint that I can put? Let's check the docs. Hmm, what is a transaction? Okay, so this query was fired where task.id is 4, but it did not include this. Why? Why was this not included? Okay. I think where clause should be after includes, I guess. I don't know. I don't think it matters. Still, let's try to fire it up. Hmm. Now, what did we get? So it doesn't include. What if find one doesn't have includes? Maybe I'm not writing it correctly. Okay, there's no includes. It is just include. Oh, great. So we got null. We got null. Wow. And what if I try to retrieve my own task? In that case, I get the result back. Hmm. I think this is exactly what we want, right? if task return null, and if not, can I call update on this task? Like, maybe we can. But now this time we can't just pass data directly because we also have Twitch ID. Can we include Twitch ID from this separate, what is it called? Spreading operator or something? I don't know. In that case, we'll have to write it individually. Const, let's get the data like this. So we're getting an ID, done, and a Twitch ID, right? So, and now we can use Twitch ID here. All the best, man, all the best. And yeah, prepare yourself for 2 days rest. I don't know, it depends on your strength or your immunity, but yeah, you'll be probably having, you know, fever. Will keep your stream on. All right, thanks, man. And yeah, I hope you don't have any exams for 2 days, because if you have exams, it will be harder to study because of the fever. ID and done. All right, so let me check my task remote show. So all of them are marked as done already. Let me mark a single one. Okay, let me create a new one. First of all, remote task. I don't know, learn ML. Remote task. Whoops. Not task. I created an empty task. So let's try to mark if the task is done. Hopefully it worked. Yeah, I think it did work. Let me try to mark data this task is done. And it did not work. And client if update result. So what will be the update result if the if the row was not updated? Will it be null or 0? Mm, let me try to do this. No. Okay, these are the tasks. So update task, set title is equal to something. Set title stream where id is equal to 6. Update 1, right? So where id is equal to 10. Update 0. So it will return 0, right? Should I just return first element because it seems that it is returning an array? Hmm. Wait a second. So let me try to do it like this first. Remote done 10. Oh, okay. What just happened? Task is not defined. Oh, results and 0. Right. So if no task was updated, we get 0. And I don't know. Update. Sorry, no task has been updated. Else we will say task has been updated. Okay, let's try to test it. Great. Sorry, no task has been updated. Okay, now let me remove this comments. So now if I try to change database task, it should return sorry, no task has been updated. Yeah, right. But let me check my tasks. So yeah, so let's mark 6 the task as shown. Remote done 6. Whoa. Sorry, no task has been updated. Why? Why did it not update it? What just happened? I'm trying to update my own task. Yeah, it did work. It did work. What the hell? Hmm, I see. Wait, what? So previously it used to return just one. Now it is returning the whole object. What? This is crazy. It used to return only 1 or 0. Now it is sending back the whole updated thing. Hmm. Okay. We won't return this. What happens if I do this? Let me first create a task, remote task, new task. Let's try to mark 7th task is done. Huh. Task has been updated. Nice. So now let's try to write the logic for marking the task undone. The same logic will apply. right? Yeah. So if the same logic will apply, why don't we just write move this to a function, isn't it? I know. Let me just copy it. The only thing we will need to change is this one, true to false. So let me check my tasks. These are my tasks. Where are my tasks? Oh, it crashed. Why did it crash? Idea of uh, uh, should I use let? Will it work if I use let? No, it doesn't work. Mm, okay, fuck it. Let's call it ID too. I don't know. ID two. What now? Oh yeah, it should be complaining about date result. Update result. Update result to fine. Remote show. Alright, so let's try to mark a certain task as undone. Undone. Let's undone seventh task. Remote show. Alright, so it has been undone. Nice. So all four commands are now working. But I'm not happy with the code. It doesn't look that much good. And also, what if the title has not been given? The task should not be created, right? So let's check for this. Yeah, this will work. If command 2 is not there, then show the usage. No, task title. Hmm. Let's try to create a task without a title. Remote task. Yeah. Give me a second for this volume control. Built-in. All right. Recording from USB condenser output devices. All right. Hmm. Oh. Right. So now client C. No, don't say it. Don't say anything. Don't just do anything. Let's go back into readme. Auth functionality, it should log tasks to the database. Yeah, it's done. Oh, so we are through almost all the tasks. Hmm. Now I think we're done with all the backend functionality mostly. We should write the front end logic. First, let's try to clean up this a bit because it doesn't look good. Mm, mm, mm. Let's create a separate functions for this code. Const task bot task. We'll pass command name as the argument. Alright, so let's copy this code. So if I move this break to that function, will it break? Yeah, I think it will. Bot task. I think we can't use it before declaring, so we should move this above. And what's up with this error? Excellent. Hey, Guru. Thanks. Break. You can't break. Okay, I can't break. Yeah, we'll just return then. we can't break, we'll return from this. So there you go. But why is it still crashing? Wait. Oh, okay. All right. I have to make this function async. Okay, so then I will have to await this function as well. All right, and we'll move this into show task. So let's create another function, const bot show. Shrink. We'll also pass command name to it. Let's paste the commands here. Oh, come on, not this one. All right, and we have to call await bot show. And let's move this task in done. Let me copy it first. Const bot done. It will also be an async function command. Oh, come on. Okay, why is it crashing? Unsyntactic break. Oh, I need to return. Where am I breaking? Return. All right. Bot done. And huh. You know what? Bot done and bot not undone both are both are similar functions. Maybe we should not write separate functions for that. I don't know. Yeah, let's just write separate function. It doesn't matter. Maybe not. Yeah. So done. Let's call this Google. Bot done Google. here. If done is true, that means the string should be done, or else it should be undone. Same. Okay, so we already have done, so we can just do this. Right. So let's now use bot await bot done toggle command name. Oh, so in this case we'll pass true. Where are you from? I'm from Gujarat. What about you? Gurgaon. Ah, Delhi. Nice. Mm, Important toggle. What am I missing? Yeah, I need to pass command name. Await bot don't tend towards. In this case, will pass false. Right. All right. So now we have significantly reduced this function. It looks good now. Bot task, bot show, bot tend toggle. Let's also remove this. And we don't need else. Oh, I think I messed up somewhere. Yeah. Hmm. All right. Now let's try to test the bot. Remote show. Oops, there was an error. That means we messed up somewhere. What is not defined? Context is not defined. Of course, it is not defined. Right. So we need to pass context. Context. not connect context. Okay, it should work just fine now. Are we getting the error? Nope, we are not. So let's try to check the bot again. Are we getting all the tasks? No, we are not. There's still an error. Let's check. Target is not defined. Whoa, what target? Oh, come on. I need to pass target as well. Why am I using target? Target. Nice. Let me test it again. Flash remote show. Great, it is working. Let's try to mark a task as done. Let's mark 7th task as done. Okay, I think it worked. Yep, it worked. Let's mark it as undone. Undone 7. Yeah, it worked. What else? Let's convert this syntax into ES6 syntax. Import PMI from PMI.js. Import bot controller. Oh, nice. From bot controller. Import can only be used. What the hell are you talking about? Import can only be used. Are you crazy? Come on, I use the Babel parser. The syntax should of form, not. Come on. Okay, it should work just fine now. Let me test it. Okay, what is the issue? This should work. Yes, it does. Okay, so the bot is done. And also let me delete this bot to one.js. Let's also clean up this module. Wait, what is this? Yeah, nothing. All right, everything seems good to me. Bot controller is ready. Let's also check routes. Although we didn't create any route yet because we just worked with the bot controller only. Let's go into index.js. I want to convert all of this directly into ES6 syntax. Nah, that's alright. Let's leave them like this. Am I not using response? Wait, why did I imported this response? I think I did it by mistake. I'm not even using DB. Whoa. Okay. If I'm not using it, let's uncomment it. Okay, what is up with this? Body parser is deprecated. Then what should I use? Express body parser. Body parser is okay. Yeah, that's what I'm using. Body parser, URL encoded extended true. Huh. If you are using express greater than 4, okay, body parser has been created under methods. Huh. So I don't need to use body parser now. I can just use express.json and URL encoded. Okay. Express. Will this work? I think it worked. Let's test the bot again. It works. Now what? Else if command name 0 equal to this commands, in that case we will return all the commands. Const bot commands. I think we have it in readme. Yeah, so let me copy this. Let string let commands equal to, oops, remote task title task ID mm, Hot commands. Right. So now we will call pot commands. Right? Let us test it. What happened? Target. Oh, come on, where am I using target? Oh, okay. I need target. I need target. Nice. But the command should be separated to distinguish them. So let's place them inside brackets. Remote learner commands. And now what? The part is done. Now it's time for front end, I guess. Yeah, so let's first push the new code. Right, so git status babelasi db. Yeah, it's okay. We can commit db. So to git add git commit dash feature, I don't know, features bot show bot done and bot undone task implemented. All right. And I think this is it for this stream. And I mean, I'm going to stream later again. And I'm going to take a break now. And maybe we'll start working on the front end part now. All right. So I will see you guys in the next stream. All right. Have a good day. Bye bye.